How to flip data upside down in MX Excel. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can flip the data upside down on Microsoft Excel. So I've got these few datas here of animals and birds. So I've got 5 animals up top and I've bat in between, and these are the birds. So let's say if I want to flip them upside down, I want the animals, I want the uh, birds to be on top and these animals to be at the bottom. What I can do is go to a column right besides any of these and start typing numbers. And I'll just go ahead and create a numeric sequence on this column. Once you have done that, you could just quickly flip this data. So let me just quickly add another bird here. So I'm going to just add an owl. I'm just going to assign it a random number for now. All right, so what I'm going to do here is first go to the data tab and then go to sort. I'm going to sort by column, that is column E, where I've just entered, and I'll just do this largest to smallest. Click on OK. Now everything is flipped. As you can see here, all of these birds are on top and the animals are at the bottom. Now this is the first method. Second method is quite advanced, so in order to do that, you're going to have to type in this formula. Type equals and then sort. So I'm just going to go ahead and type equals, then type the sort command. Use sort by. Hit enter, and then from here you're going to have to use other command. I'll just click on the sort by function here and then select the entire range. And after that, you're going to have to use the row function. Just close this out and then type in row. Click on the row function. What it does is it will return the row value, in this case 20, 21, and so on. Now you're going to have to type in descending or the -1, so you are going to have to flip the value. Now on the row function, you're going to have to select the animals and birds row, this entire column. And then finally, you can use the ascending or the descending function. So if you just close this bracket and then type in comma, you'll have the descending, the -1. It'll completely flip it. So just select this and hit enter. Click on yes. And it will create another table right besides here, but it will completely flip the table right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.